Battalion 2, Engine 5, Tower 2, Engine 21, Hazmat 21, Engine 4, Hazmat 1, Quint 7. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St.
Engine 21 responding.
Engine 21, grab Hazmat 21.
Engine 4 responding.
Truck 2, Battalion 2, Engine 5 responding.
Engine 21, Engine 4, Engine 5, Hazmat 21, Quint 7, Tower 2, Battalion 2, respond on a fire with an explosion at 1901 Payne Street, across street of Sturgis Avenue. We've gotten several calls. We have smoke coming from the rear of the location. Radio to Engine 1, are you going to be able to clear?
That's negative, radio. We're on a bed run, 911 Great Lane.
I'm okay at 1502. Radio Battalion 2, do you want me to start Hazmat 19?
That's correct.
Engine 19. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St. Hazmat 19. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St.
Complex, it appears to be a large explosion that occurred. We got smoke showing.
Engine 4, 1901 Payne, multi-building complex. Appears to be a large explosion. You have smoke showing at 1503.
21, grab a hydrant and lay into me. I'm going to nose into this fence and make entry right here. If you can bring me water.
Engine 19, Hazmat 19 responding.
Engine 19 has that 19 responding to 1901 at Payne Street on a report of an explosion cross streets of Sturgis Avenue at 1459.
Engine 21 on scene.
Engine 21 on scene at 1504.
Battalion 2 to radio. Be advised, we have traffic signals out, up and down Main Street and Market Street.
Okay, traffic signals out on Main and Market at 1504.
Engine 15 on scene, 2428 Clinton Drive, one-story warehouse with nothing showing.
Engine
Switch to channel 2.
Engine 15, that's correct. I have you on the scene. Nothing showing at 1504. Point 7 on scene at 1504.
Engine 4 to radio on the LGD, priority 1, multiple lines down. Go ahead and secure channel 1. Start me an extra engine, extra truck. Battalion 2, we got a report from plant personnel, unknown persons are still missing. Unknown what the substance is that's blowing out. Engine 4 has positive water on the address side.
Battalion 2 is okay. Battalion 2 to radio. Fill out the rest of the box.
Battalion 2, I'm okay at 1505.
Battalion 4 to radio, show me responding.
Battalion 4, have you responding at 1505.
Engine 2 in service, 1505.
2, Quint 10, Quint 9. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St. Battalion 4. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St. Hazmat 1. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne St.
I'm okay. Battalion 2, Engine 4 to Battalion 2. I'm going to have point 7 conduct primary searches in the unaffected areas of the building. Plant personnel is attempting to get MSDS sheets at this time. And it's going to get a head count on approximate personnel on site. He said there was approximately 60 individuals working at the time. They evacuated prior to the explosion, but it's unknown how many people are still unaccounted for. He's working on getting a head count.
Battalion 2 is okay. Battalion 2 to radio. Wherever you command, command's going to be on Payne Street.
Battalion 2, you're a command. Command is going to be on Payne Street at 1507.
Battalion 10 responding.
Battalion 10 responding at 1507.
Engine 4 to command. Expected chemical leaking could be SO2, sulfur dioxide. Engine 2 responding.
All units that are not responding to Payne Street, go to Fire 2.
Truck 1 to command. Battalion 2 command. Truck 1 to service, run River Road. Yeah, we can make that. You know, put me on that box at 200 East Broadway. Battalion 3, 59 responding.
Engine 17 responding. Truck 4 responding.
Engine 16 responding. We're making that on Payne St.
Truck 1, your advisor responding to Payne.
That's correct.
Battalion 4 is on scene on the Bravo side, making my way to the rear.
Battalion 4, you're on Brock.
Remember, Quint 7, making entry on the unaffected.
Battalion 2, you're at command. Command is going to be on Payne Street at 1507.
Battalion 10 responding.
Battalion 10 responding at 1507.
Engine 4 to command. Expected chemical leaking could be SO2, sulfur dioxide.
Engine 2 responding.
All units that are not responding to Payne Street, go to Fire 2.
Truck 1 to command. Battalion 2 command. Truck 1 to service around River Road. Yeah, we can make that. You know, put me on that box at 200 East Broadway. Battalion 3, 59 responding.
Engine 17 responding. Truck 4 responding.
Engine 16 responding. We're making that on Payne St.
Truck 1, your advisor responding to Payne.
That's correct.
Battalion 4 is on scene on the Bravo side, making my way to the rear.
Battalion 4, you're on Brock.
Remember, Quint 7, making entry on the unaffected Bravo side building. Second primary start.
Chief Operator, what Hazmat companies do you have responding, and we need wind direction and speed?
I'm on Payne wind direction and speed at 1509.
Engine 5 has Engine 4W, Engine 4 Alpha. For the Delta 5.
Truck 2, radio's okay. The unit member of Engine 9 are making entry on the Delta side, but you're on Fire 2. Your run's on Fire 1.
Engine 5 to command. I got 5 patients on Payne at 1902. Battalion 2 radio. How many med units do you have responding?
Stand by.
Truck 4, Battalion 1, Battalion 3 on a report of a structure fire at 200 East Broadway at the Dollar General Market, Brooklyn Broadway. Across Southport, South Floyd. Got interface security about his buildings on fire at 1510.
Involved in an explosion. No visible fire, but we do have an active chemical leak, possibly ammonia. Engine 4 command. We do have active fire inside. I need an 1 3/4 line laid to the right side of the main explosion through the man door. I got 1 victim trapped. I need a Stokes basket and personnel. Command's okay.
From the rear of the building at 1511.
Battalion 3 to first engine, I want you to come to the rear of the property. I'm going to have multiple bales of paper on fire. Looks like it's up against the building, maybe extended to one window. Here and see what we've got, see if it's involved or not. No apparatus are going to be able to make access from the Bravo side.
Command's okay. We're stretching a line from the Alpha side now.
Engine 9 is on scene.
On scene 1512.
Battalion 5W on scene.
Battalion 5W on scene 1512.
Engine 20, repeat. Engine 20, if you're respond on a public assist, 120 State Street, got a heard an explosion in his basement, says there's dust in his basement, power is now out where it may be a water heater at 1513. Engine 20 is okay. 1513.
Engine 16 is okay. We have a hydrant secured at East Jacob and South Baroque.
Battalion 3 is okay.
Engine 6 on scene at 1513.
Battalion 3 to the first truck company, come to the rear as well.
You can send an 1 3/4 the same way. I've got fire inside directly behind the leak too.
Truck 1 on scene.
Truck 1 on scene at 1514. Radio command. Wind speed is going to be east at 9 miles.
Engine 2, truck 1 on scene.
T5 on scene at 1514.
Battalion 5W has accountability.
Battalion 5W, your accountability at 1514.
Engine 18 on scene, 1550.
Battalion 3 to engine 18, I want you to check the interior of the building from the front side.
Engine 18, okay.
On the Bravo side, the neighboring property. They're getting a head count and trying to determine who's accounted for, who's not. Command's okay. Find out how much ammonia they had on site and if that's the possible cause. Battalion 4 is okay.
Chief 3 responding.
Chief 3 responding, 1515.
Battalion 4 to Quinton upon your arrival. I want you to stage in the parking lot of the property on the Bravo side of the involved structure.
Quinton's okay.
Battalion 10 on scene, 1516.
Engine 4 command, we removed one person. We're coming out the man door to the south of the lake. Have EMS standing by. Critical.
Battalion 3 to radio. There is no extension into the structure. It's going to be surface extension. Truck 3, engine 17 will be able to handle. You can place other responding units in service. Responding.
Battalion 3 radios, okay, 1517.
Engine 8 responding. Engine 10 responding.
Engine 8, truck 8, correction, engine 10, standby.
Correction and temperature.
Wind temperature is, correction, wind speed is going to be east at 9. We're trying for a temperature now.
Chief 3, I'm okay. You're in Baxter and East Jefferson at a non-injury MBA at 1513. Truck 8, switch to fire 2.
Truck 8 responding, Chief 5 Desert 4, bring the victim out to the Payne Street site.
What's okay? Chief 1 is on site.
Chief 1 on scene, 1518. Radio to command. The temperature is 56.
Operations okay. What's the wind direction?
East at 9. East at 9.
Engine 18 to truck 4, we can take that medical call. Engine 18, what medical call are you taking?
Payne in service.
Down on East Broadway. I'm okay. I had engine 6 going there, but I will send you to First and Broadway. Engine 6, will you take South Jackson and East Liberty on a black male and a black outfit that's down at the location?
Engine 6 is okay. On South Jackson and East Liberty.
1518. Engine 10, engine 22, you can cancel your run. Engine 22 is okay in service.
Engine 10 in service.
And 1520, engine 8, truck 8, respond on a commercial fire alarm sounding the Louisville Post East Acute Care, 4200 Browns Lane, Canterbury, Pneumonia Avenue, on a general fire alarm at 1520.
Battalion 9 on scene.
Battalion 9, you're on scene, or you're on the Payne Street run. 1520.
Engine 8 on scene. 4200 Brown Lane. One story, nursing home facility, no zone.
Hazmat one's on the scene.
Hazmat 1 on scene, 1521.
Battalion 4 to command. Are you ready for information on the hazardous material?
Go ahead.
All products are in 5,000 gallon tanks. Ammonia, ammonium bisulfate, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, phosphoric acid. Those are the max quantities for those tanks.
Engine 18, yes, you can cancel. My apologies.
Engine 18 is our engine 8 to truck 8. Those are false. Engine 8 can handle.
Truck 8, okay. Truck 8 in service at 1522.
Engine 4 accountability, we have par.
Accountability is okay.
Engine 2 has par. 27 accountability, we have par. Quit 9 has par. Engine 21 has par.
Engine 9 has bar.
Engine 5 has par.
Radio, you can show me responding to the incident on Payne.
Chief 502 at 1524.
Well, that's in service.
Engine 15 in service at 1524.
Battalion 5W to 7W. Do you have par?
Quit that W, that's correct. We have par.
Battalion 4 to command. Have a large amount of runoff. Entering a storm grate. Bravo Charlie out of the structure. Operations is okay. Operations of radio. Do we have MSD?
Engine 8 in service 1525.
Battalion 11 on scene.
Battalion 11 on scene, 1525. Chief 5.
Alert 1 mile radius shelter in place. In the meantime, I need you to contact the schools within half a mile. Advise them to not release students yet until they hear from us.
I'm okay. Getting ready to do a mile radius. Contact the schools within a half a mile. Do not release them. And command U of L Hospital is wanting to know if you need any personnel to the scene for decon.
1526.
Third send me health department representative.
I'm okay on the health department.
Quentin is on scene.
Quentin on scene, 1526.
She's on fire 2 at 1526.
Engine 22 is okay and responding.
Engine 22 on a medical Delta call with EMS, the Lewis Coleman Jr. Drive, River Park with police as well, on a black male flannel jacket that's down on the ground at 1527.
Okay, Port Operations also have a large amount of runoff making its way down the tracks towards the west.
Command radio. You do have representation from Health and MSD responding.
That's correct.
Agency response location is at the address 1901 Payne St.
Agency response is going to be at the address 1901 Payne at 1527.
Chief Cosgrave, also be advised, we're going to evacuate 2 blocks in each direction, working on getting a park bus up to the scene right now.
I'm okay, needing a TARP bus. You're going to evacuate 2 blocks around the area at 1528.
This Payne Street fire, U of L Hospital needs an engine to U of L for decon. Do you have a recommendation of who you want me to send?
Standby.
Okay. Engine 20 in service at 1528.
Battalion 3, your radio. What was the last unit that was sent to the fire scene?
Battalion 3, I really can't tell you who was the last one that was sent. They have multiple engines and hazmat on scene.
Battalion 3 is okay. Do you have engine 15 in service?
I do.
I believe that'd be the closest unit left.
I'm okay at 1529.
Engine 15 radio, you can show us responding.
Engine 15, I'm okay and show you responding to U of L at 1529.
Street.
G5 on scene. 502 on scene at 1530.
On fire 2.
Medical. Delta. North 22nd Street and Little Street.
What companies do you have? Bravo side with you.
Please. 22nd Lidl, 22 on Lidl, got a male down in the field, white male, black jacket, black joggers at 1530.
Battalion 4 has no companies yet with me. I am directly behind the plant. We have extensive damage to multiple apartment buildings and homes in the area. Trying to make contact with residents to determine if there are any injuries or not. If you have any companies available, send them back here to me off of it's like Stoll Avenue. I'm trying to find it on the map. Operations of Battalion 4. We might be able to get the company to here off of Waverly or Haldeman, and they could drag some lines across the tracks. Do you see visible fire? Had no visible fire in the rear of the structure. As far as I can tell, the tanker rail cars are not involved. All of the runoff appears to be coming from the involved structure. Any companies available for Waverly Street, Weist Place, or Haldeman, they can assist with making contact with residents to check for injury. Operation okay.
Arson 1 on the scene on Payne at 1532.
Commander Radio, Start 19 back in the scene. They're going to be Bravo side. Battalion 4, you'll have 19 return to the scene.
I'm okay. Having engine 19 hazmat 1 return to the scene. Go to the Bravo side at 1532.
Hazmat 19. Fire. Explosion. 1901 Payne Street. Engine 19. Fire. Explosion. 1901 Payne Street.
19 Hazmat 19 responding.
Engine 19 hazmat 19 responding to 1901 Payne Street. Hazmat 19, you need to go to the Bravo side at 1534. 1534.
Operations of Battalion 4, you have Quint 10 coming your way. Battalion 4 is okay. Truck 4 is 22nd Lidl.
Truck 4, I'm sorry, can you repeat?
Team shows in service radio.
Truck 4 in service at 15.
Zone going to be stalled to Bel Air from the tracks to
Command, hot zone is going to be the plant property Warm zone is going to be Stoles to Bel Air, to the tracks, to Payne at 1536.
Command radio, unified command post is going to be located at the entrance to the property at 1901 Payne Street.
Unified command post, 1901 Payne Street, at the front of the property at 1536.
Engine 16, your operations on fire 2. Engine 16, your operations on fire 2, 1536.
Engine 16. Assist. East and South Code 1. 2, 6, 2, 4, Alton Avenue.
Engine 15, you need police.
16 responding.
Engine 16 on a assist EMS code 1 to 2624 Austin Avenue. Need you for a lift assist at 1537. Engine 15, I need PD to Hancock and where and for what?
Hancock and Madison for traffic control.
I'm okay.
Battalion 3 radio, make that Hancock and Muhammad Ali and at Chestnut. We need to keep traffic from coming through at Madison. We got supply line laid, setting up decon.
10-4.
Operations to command. We have 0 readings from the command post down Payne Street to Story.
All you med units come off Chestnut to the south entrance of the hospital. You need PD to Hancock and Ali and Hancock and Chestnut or Hancock and Madison.
Muhammad Ali and Chestnut.
I'm okay.
C501 to Battalion 3. Call my cell, please.
Battalion 3 is okay.
I'm okay.
Battalion 3 radio, make that Hancock and Muhammad Ali and at Chestnut. We need to keep traffic from coming through at Madison. We got supply line laid, setting up decon.
10-4.
Operations to command. We have 0 readings from the command post down Payne Street to Story.
All you med units come off Chestnut to the south entrance of the hospital. You need PD to Hancock and Ali and Hancock and Chestnut or Hancock and Madison.
Muhammad Ali and Chestnut.
I'm okay.
C501 to Battalion 3. Call my cell, please.
Battalion 3 is okay.
Commander radio, can you repeat it? Units on scene.
Command units on scene are Truck 2, Truck 1, Quint 10, Quint 9, Quint 7, Hazmat 21, Engine 21, Hazmat 1, Engine 1, Engine 15 is going to U of L, Engine 9, Engine 5, Engine 4, Engine 2.
Command, this is U of L Hospital. Do you have any update on number of patients being transported yet?
That's negative. We'll advise here shortly. Command operations. Do you have Engine 5, Engine 2, or Truck 1 identified? Battalion 4 to Quint 10. Is that you approaching on the backside with your apparatus?
That's correct. We're on a Halderman.
Battalion 4 is okay. Come to the end of Haldeman. I'll meet you there just a minute.
Quinton's okay.
Rescue 11 to command. LG&E representatives at 1733 Payne Street. Do you want them to make his way towards you?
1901 Payne Street.
Command to Engine 5 and Engine 2. What's your okay? Okay, for the Quint 10. Start closest to the tracks. Search each home. Make sure there's no issue. Report back. I'm in the alley behind.
Quint 10's okay.
Go ahead.
Person 6789 on Main Street. Command to Engine 5 and Engine 2. You can return. Engine 2 is okay. Engine 5 is okay.
35 on scene on Payne.
On scene to 1544.
Command Battalion 4. You have Quint 9 and Engine 19, correct? Command repeat. Quint 9, Engine 19. Are they with Battalion 4? Battalion 4 has 2 members of Quint 9 in the rear and all of Quint 10's crew. Command's okay. Do you have 19 back there monitoring the air with you on your side of the building? I have not seen Engine 19.
Engine 19, 4 up on scene now.
Engine 19 to your side of Battalion 4. It's 10, Quint 9, Quint 10, rear of the property.
Okay.
19,
Payne's responding on scene.
Battalion 14 responding on scene. Engine 19, Hazmat 19 on scene, 1547.
Battalion 4 to Engine 19, I want you to take Waverly Court. Make your way towards the tracks. Start searching the house away from the tracks towards Frankfurt. Report Engine 19 is okay.
Engine
16 in service.
Operations Battalion 4, what's your situation update? Operations, I'm in the rear, conducting searches with 3 companies. As of now, I have no reported injuries. There's no visible fire or smoke in the rear of the property, with a large amount of runoff making its way down the tracks to the west. Operations okay. Chief 3 on the scene.
Chief 3 on scene, 1548.
Battalion 7 on scene.
Battalion 7 on scene at 1549.
Operations Battalion 4, have you identified what the runoff is? Battalion 4 to operations. I'm unable to determine, but it appears all of the runoff is coming from the structure. None of the rail cars appear to be leaking. They're just covered in debris. Operations.
Battalion 11 at command, we're able to provide UN numbers for some of the tank cars in the rear that are covered in debris. We're going to join overhead.
Command's okay.
Quint 10W to Battalion 4, we have a representative from the railroad at our apparatus.
Battalion 4 is okay. Direct him to Weast Place. I can meet him in the parking lot of that location.
Quint 10's okay.
Arson 2 on scene, Payne.
Arson 2 on scene, Payne at 1554.
Safety to engine 21. You need to set the command post at the entrance of the building. 21's okay.
Truck 4, engine 6, operations on fire 2. Truck 4, engine 6, operations on fire 2.
Fire. Type unknown. 2, 1, 4, 1, Bank Street.
Engine 6 responding.
Battalion 4 is okay.
On a report of a fire type unknown, 2141 Bank Street, crossing North 24th, North 22nd. Heavy smoke coming from an area of an alleyway behind the location. Unknown what's burning in 1556. Truck 3 is in service. Truck 3 in service at 1556.
Operations to Hazmat 21. Hold your position.
Engine 6 is on the scene, 2141 Main Street. Got a 1-story brick dwelling. There's nothing showing.
In 62141 Bank, 1-story brick dwelling, nothing showing at 1556.
Battalion 3 radio. Need you to pass along to EMS that any med units responding to University Hospital need to come off Chestnut on the south entrance.
10-4, we will pass along.
Engine 2 is in service.
Operations to Truck 2W. Report to the command post.
2, you're in service, 1559.
Engine 6 to truck 4. There's going to be an illegal burn. Engine 6 can handle.
Truck 4 radio. Engine 6 is going to handle it. Truck 4 in service.
Truck 4, engine 6 handle at 16.
Engine 6 to radio. Correct address on this incident is going to be 2126 Lytle. Engine trash.
Engine 6, I'm okay on 2126 Lytle. Handle trash fire at 61.
I am inside 100 Weast Place. Arthur Gordon Elect.
Chief 3.
Engine 19 of Battalion 4. No injuries on Waverly. Really, Battalion 4 is okay. Engine 19, Quint 9W, Truck 10W. We will stand by on Weast Place until we have further assignment. Engine 19, Quint 9, okay. Command to Battalion 4. Have you accounted for everyone in the apartment building? That's correct. We have no reported injury. Several structures are severely damaged. Command, okay. Do you need any further resources back there? Not at this time. We're going to stand by and wait for further instruction. Command's okay. So you've got Quint 9, Quint 10, and 19. Is that correct? That's correct. Quint 10, 2 members of Quint 9,